Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, connections, comrades, and colleagues. Today's topic is France. France has a semi-presidential form of a democratic system. It has president as well as prime minister. Emmanuel Macron is the president of the France. He has uh, um, he has been supplying defense equipment to countries like India. The farmers of France have been protesting against the price imparity with the European Union. It's time for France to relocate its defense budget. France has been spending around 48 billion euros per year in the defense for towards the defense budget. French French governments have been causing unrest across the globe, especially in India. Its deals are French deals are creating unnecessary nuisance in the market, defense market, especially. It's time for disarmament in France. Thank you so much.